Hello and welcome to our new video. To create a budget in Excel, follow these steps. In cell A1, type gross income. Underneath it, enter your gross income data. In the cells below your gross income, type in the labels and corresponding data for the different budget categories you want to track: rent, utilities, groceries, etc. In the cell where you want to display the monthly total, type the shown expression, and then select the range of cells containing your budget data. Close the bracket and press enter. Your monthly total will be calculated. To calculate the yearly total, select a cell and type equal to, followed by the cell reference of your monthly total. Then add the shown expression to multiply it by 12 months. Press enter. Your yearly total will be displayed. To find out your excess income, select a cell and type equal to, followed by the cell reference for your gross income. Then type dash, followed by the cell reference for your yearly total. Press enter. Your excess income will be calculated. You can now easily track your budget and see your monthly and yearly totals, as well as your excess income. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.